Okay, so I'm back taxiing runway 22 here at Alta Floresta airport, and I'm reaching the end of the runway. I'm gonna line up and announce the waiting point. That's how they call it here, runway 22. It is not really a tower here, it's just the information. When I was landing here 1 hour ago, they were not even talking to me at all. Now, because a couple planes came, including Azul, the big airliner, the people, the tower showed up. Well, not the tower, the information showed up. So let's go ahead, turn pumps on, flaps are set for takeoff, landing lights is on, and let's tell them that we're ready. And Alta Floresta, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, ready, runway 22.
Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, wind 312 degrees 9 knots, report departing.
Roger, report departing, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, copy the wind. Alright, let's go. Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, on the go, runway 22, straight out departure, southwest.
Roger.
Okay, strong wind from the right. Okay, all the gauges are looking good. Airspeed is alive, and we're gonna rotate at 76. This plane wants to fly at lower speed than 76. And we're gonna keep it the way it is. Here we go. That's 76, and he's in the air. Okay, positive rate, gear goes up. Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie in the air.
Alta Floresta, Roger. Report 27 miles away.
You said 27 miles away?
Roger.
Roger, report 27 miles away. Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie. Alright, safe altitude, flaps going up. Let's turn the radar on there. See, there's a little bit of a weather straight ahead. Tilt, mode, weather, put it for about 650 tilt. Okay, pumps off. Landing lights off. And that was departure from Alta Floresta. Okay, autopilot. We're gonna go into vertical speed mode at 500 feet per minute and a nav engaged. And we are direct point Darba. Alright, so let's see what is 25 miles ahead of us. Okay, not too bad, but there is weather. Alright, so this is the weather coming up right now. Seeing it on the radar. It's going straight between two pretty little cells, but keeping the direct course as I am right now should keep me right in between two of them. This is a 10 mile. Let's see what's at 25. Going on the low power settings just in case it's some updrafts, downdrafts. So the speed doesn't go in the yellow sector. I would like to do it the Florida way and go right under that, but then I'm not would not be in communication with anybody here at this altitude. And since I'm on the IFR flight plan, I'm feeling like I should be talking to people the whole time.
Amazônico, boa tarde.
Oh, that's loud.
Mantendo nível 350.
Alright, the good news is at 50 miles, there's really not much going on. What is the movement of this cell here? I'm watching this one cell on the left. It's getting closer. And this one, there's two of them. I'm gonna circumnavigate those cells now. I go into heading mode. there is looking pretty nasty. Okay, there's one coming up right now, so I'm gonna go around this to the right. And Amazonica, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie will be deviating to the left and right for weather.
Roger, Zulu Golf Charlie Charlie, after deviation direct to Cuiaba.
Roger, after deviation direct Cuiaba, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, thank you. So after I pass that one, I gotta go to the left to avoid all of this stuff on the right. That's the plan. But over there, straight ahead, looks nasty. If I continue on that heading, that's bad news right there. So I think going slightly to the east, southeast, should be more beneficial. Oh yeah, it's the Amazon in the summer, in the rainy season. I mean, it's raining here. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Anyways, so that's another 1 hour and 40 minutes of doing this. Looks like it. Just flying on a low power setting 66, just in case I'm...
Azul 2001, boa tarde, identificação, submantenha nível 310, direto point.
I need to stay in the air for the longer time, just in case there's weather out to Cuiaba. Good thing about Cuiaba, it has an ILS approach, so that's good. Alright, the weather got much better now. Here we are 200 miles from Cuiaba. 199 miles from Cuiaba, cruising comfortably to 8,000 feet, 1 hour, 11 minutes left, 74% of power.
3268, confirme se
I just engaged the fuel transfer, so I'm transferring fuel from the auxiliary tanks to the main tanks. It should be, the transfer should be accomplished in just a few minutes. Because when it reaches 22 gallons in the main tank, the pump will shut itself off. Yeah, look at this, beautiful weather. Straight ahead, there's just a slice, there's a chance that I might have to deviate to the left for those build-ups right there. But that's, yeah, and it's confirming on the radar that there's little stuff here. There's a storm right there. You can see storm scope is detecting lightning. So looks like deviating to the left, just east of Sierra India Lima Charlie Airport. And then direct might be a better idea. But for now, I'm tired. I woke up early in the morning, so it's time to open this bad boy. Okay, so we are now just 43 miles from Cuiaba, clear for ILS X-ray, runway 35 approach via Charlie Yankee 003 initial approach fix. So flying southwest first, and then basically turn to the west, and then turn northwest for final approach, runway 35. That's pretty straightforward. Maintaining 8,000, but at 48 miles, Charlie Yankee 003, we need to be down at 4,000, then 2,600, then 2,230. At the initial approach, fix Xodup, with the approach course of 351. And let's double check we have everything. The approach is loaded, frequency is good. 109.3, that's ILS frequency 109.3, so that's perfect. And we got the weather at the airport is winds 350 at 10 knots, 29 degrees centigrade, and QNH 1007, which translates to 2974 in inches of mercury.
Ideal pro 060.
Todo São Mateus vai voar o Uniform Fox.
And I can see the city from far away. Looks like visual conditions, but it's always good to fly the approach, and it's actually better
Estou para nível
Because
120, saída van e 1
if I went direct, there is a weather right between my current position and the airport, which is right this way. But the approach is gonna take me all around the weather, so that will work perfect for me. We'll add a few minutes to the flight, but it is not a problem. They kept me at 8,000 for too long, and now they gave me 6 miles to drop 6,000 feet.
Charlie.
Go ahead, please.
Turn left heading 205.
205, go Charlie Charlie.
Expect to head in shoot position. Descend 2000 feet.
Descend 2000, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie. I'm doing 1,300 feet per minute descent. That's as much as I can do right now, sir.
Oscar Victor Bravo vai atingindo 5.000.
I don't know if that's normal here in Brazil.
Charlie Charlie.
Go ahead, please.
Conditions, turn right heading shoot position. In present.
Roger, direct, Shodu, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie.
Azul 403 controle.
Tango, Juliana Miguel.
4423 solicita novo limite devido à formação. Nossa proa, posição de 15 milhas.
Franco vai então direito na proa 240, fica melhor a proa?
O 4423 afirma, o ideal seria a proa 230, que eu passo entre duas formações.
30, sim, a gente está livre. Charlie Charlie, call now, Cuiaba Tower 118.1.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Call Cuiaba Tower 118.1.
Roger, Tower 18-1, Golf Charlie Charlie, thank you.
Acho que Vitor Bravo, tráfego.
And Cuiaba Tower, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, inbound ILS, runway 35 approach.
Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie, runway vacated, clear to land runway 25, wind 340 degrees, 9 knots, QNH 1007.
Roger, runway 35 clear to land, Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie. Alright, so we're clear to land. We're on the ILS right now. Landing gear down is down and light. Landing lights are on. Flaps are in a takeoff position. And fuel pumps are on. So, landing check is complete.
Temos Delta Alpha 62, olhando a final de 4 milhas.
Oscar Victor Bravo está ciente, senhor. Vai ingressar na do vento pela direita na sua escuta.
Foi o Cuiaba Fox Charlie na Charlie, pronto para ingresso quando autorizado.
And we are clear to land 35. That was absolutely one of the craziest things. When they expect you to be at 2,000 and drop 6,000 feet in a distance of basically 6 miles. It's nuts. Anyways, this is Cuiaba.
Oscar Victor Bravo ingressando na do vento da 35 através da torre.
Gente, Oscar Victor Bravo, mantém a perna do vento, aguardando instruções para girar a base. O vento 360 graus, 10 knots.
A sua escuta.
Zulu Papa Golf Charlie Charlie. Traffic information about Alpha Yankee 1. Join down the leg by right.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Traffic information Papa Alpha Yankee 1. Join down the leg by right.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you're saying, sir.
Golf Charlie Charlie, clear to land runway 5, wind 350 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear to land, 35, Golf Charlie Charlie.
Oscar Victor Bravo, autorizado base pela direita da 35, aperta final de 3 milhas.
Autorizado base pela direita da 35, reportaria.
Golf Charlie Charlie, on the ground at 17. Located runway via Bravo intersection, taxi approved to Navag hangar via Echo.
Okay, after landing in Cuiaba, now we're figuring out what to do next. I just got fuel from Shell. This is nice little, oh, there's a big plane landing right now, Azul, I guess. Look at this big bad boy coming in for landing. And that's Cuiaba downtown in the back. So yeah, just got fuel, and then right now debating what to do next. And then the next leg to Foz do Iguaçu is a 600 miles, so that's a good 4 hours in the air, and the weather is not so special. So I might just hang out here for a couple hours, see if the weather improves. I'm gonna go at night or like late evening, or if it does not improve, then I'm gonna go tomorrow. Then I'm gonna call it a day here in Cuiaba and go home. But that's the situation here at Cuiaba. One day before Christmas Eve, and I'm still in the middle of Brazil. I don't think I'm making back home for Christmas. Okay, so I'm spending evening in Cuiaba. Plane is in the hangar. I'm packing and going to the hotel right now. There's plenty of nasty looking weather just south of Cuiaba, and it's about 300 miles of storms, of T-storms, which are gonna be most likely gone by tomorrow morning. So there is really no time. I mean, no point of trying to make it there tonight. I still cannot make it to Paraguay tonight anyway. So, you know, arrival time for tomorrow stays the same, whether I leave it now or tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna pack and go to the hotel and get some rest.
He's very conservation man.
Oh, he does conservation?
Yes.
Or restoration? Oh, wow, look at
No,
have
look,
a
very big.
big store.
Yes. And he is a very friendly. I know him. And he have like 2-3 jets and
oh wow,
Ball 6000 and Learjet 75.
Wow, he's very wealthy.
Yes. He's a young man.
Wow.
But maybe young, like 55 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good. A lot of motorcycles.
Yeah.
Wow, a lot of motorcycles. Looks like in Dominican Republic.
Ah, yes.
Welcome from Cuiaba in the hotel. Just gonna relax a little bit. Tired, as you can see in my eyes. It's time to go get something to eat and lay down and relax before tomorrow. Tomorrow, big day, the delivery day. Cuiaba, then possibly Foz do Iguaçu, or we might be changing destination for the first stop for Campo Grande, and then Asuncion, Paraguay. So big day tomorrow. Time to lay down and go to sleep, get some rest. Good night, everybody.